They say lightning never strikes the same place twice. Sounds cool, but if that were true, skyscrapers would be in serious trouble. This one's a total myth. Lightning can, and does, strike the same spot multiple times, especially tall or metal objects like towers, trees, and buildings. For example, the Empire State Building in New York gets hit by lightning about 20 to 25 times a year. Lightning follows the path of least resistance. If that path doesn't change, boom, same spot again. Nature doesn't play by human sayings. So remember, lightning can strike twice or even 20 times. Myth busted. Subscribe for more myth-busting videos.